KTM has recently launched its all-new updated version of the KTM Duke 250. Ani seedai bhannu parda, it is a beast of a machine. The all-new evolved Duke comes with a plethora of comprehensive features that suruma we might even find overwhelming. The bike has gotten special treatment as the features installed in this iteration of the KTM Duke 250 Gen 3 are directly borrowed from the Duke 390, its older sibling. Features jastai ki bi-directional quick shifter, dual-channel ABS with a supermoto mode, a 5-inch LCD instrument cluster with a 4-way switch, and many more. सबैभन्दा पहिला कुरा गरौँ यसको लुक्सको बारेमा। First look मा हेर्दा design inspiration has been taken from its older siblings, that is the KTM 390 as well as the KTM 1290, which is a positive for the bike. हामी देख्छौँ the 390 and 1290 inspired muscular tank shrouds with an up-sweep tail section which has a very soft and comfortable two-piece seat, a 15-liter tank, the saddle height has also gone from 830mm in the previous gen to 800mm in the new KTM 250 Gen 3. Also, additional color scheme हामीले पाउँछौँ यो Dukeमा, which is a white and orange combination with orange wheels, which personally is our favorite. Build quality premium छ, from the paint to the panels to the switch gears, they are all top notch. The new KTM 250 Gen 3 comes with a full LED setup. It doesn't, however, get the LED DRLs like the 390, and the whole unit is a little smaller too. Bike को features list down गर्दाखेरि हामीले notice गर्छौँ that the all-new KTM 250 Gen 3 it comes with so many attributes which finally makes it feel like a more complete package. सबभन्दा पहिला कुरा गरौँ यसको 5-inch LCD screen को, which is a very welcome upgrade from the basic-looking console from the previous gen KTMs. This iteration of the Duke 250 also supports Bluetooth connectivity and can be paired to a smartphone, which in turn provides you with the accessibility of navigation, music playback, and answering phone calls. Besides this, यो स्क्रिनमा तपाईले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ information such as coolant temperature, battery voltage, estimated range, 2 trip meters each with trip distance, average speed, average fuel consumption, and trip time. We can customize the display and tweak other controls as well. These other controls include a new quick shifter plus, which is a bi-directional unit, and a dual-channel ABS with supermoto mode. Our engine ko kura गर्दाखेरि, it is very natural to assume that this is the same 249cc engine like in the previous generations, but this couldn't be farther from the truth, as this motor on the Gen 3 250 Duke is a completely new LC4C engine. This engine is SOHC type engine, which is a single overhead camshaft engine and not a dual overhead camshaft engine like the previous gen models. This change occur garneko reason चाहिँ KTM wanted to make a more cost-effective engine while keeping the performance, thriftiness, and the overall character of the Duke like we've grown to love them. The power output has not changed drastically, as the new 250 Duke provides 31 bhp at 9,500 rpm, which is just a bhp more than the previous version, and 25 Nm of torque at 7,500 rpm, which is also 1 Nm more than the previous gen. The new 250 Duke now gets a smaller 43-tooth rear sprocket, whereas previously 46-tooth, which helps it attain a higher top speed at the cost of slow acceleration. Now, getting to the ride experience on the new KTM 250 Duke, we felt that the bunch of chassis updates did complement its engine, as the bike is equipped with an entirely new trellis frame and aluminum subframe. The offset monoshock and the thicker 43mm USD fork come next. हामीलाई front end चाहिँ अलिकति on the softer side लाग्यो, but thankfully यसको monoshock includes preload adjustability, so तपाईले यसलाई customize गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ as per your choice. The MRF steel-based tires, which are fairly good for the performance the Duke has to give, are mounted on the new lighter wheels on both ends. However, तपाईलाई के गरी if you want to go all out with corner carving, the front suspension softness might be a barrier. Braking is handling by a 320mm disc at the front and a 240mm disc at the rear. The bike offers an exhilarating experience with its ride-by-wire throttle system, providing precise throttle response exactly when you need it, and this makes the Duke 250 feel alive under your command. Orko standout feature of this model is its quick shifter, which allows for seamless upshifts at higher RPMs. However, हामीले notice गर्यो that when you're shifting from the first to second gear and then from second to third, there is a little bit of a hiccup. This can disrupt the otherwise smooth riding experience though. Fortunately, once you're past these initial gears, shifting becomes smoother, especially from third to the sixth gear at higher RPMs. Additionally, the inclusion of rev matching during downshifting adds a layer of refinement to the overall riding dynamics. While the quick shifter enhances the Duke 250's performance, despite its quirks, the Duke 250 remains an incredibly enjoyable ride with impressive acceleration, and all in all, the new KTM 250 Duke Gen 3 is a motorcycle that is very aggressively shaped and aggressively priced at rupees 7,39,900 rupees, and it's available at the nearest Duke showrooms. The bike is a breeze to ride on, and with its all-new upgrades, it seems to have outdone itself and raised its standard much higher than its previous versions. For more reviews, blogs, comparisons, अनि तपाईको बाइक किन्ने डिसिजनलाई सजिलो पार्नको लागि head on to BikePriceNepal.com. Do like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.